क्या है, टांगा आगे है घोड़ा पीछे जा रहा है। एक्चुअली क्या है ना, इन वी आर पुटिंग द कार्ट बिफोर द हॉर्स, अंग्रेजी में वैसे कहते हैं कि कोई भी जो टेस्ट होता है
सर।
वो दैट इज अ secondary part. First part is the symptom. The patient goes to the doctor, symptom है, doctor takes the history, clinical examination, and doctor comes to a diagnosis. Confirm it, he orders or she orders a lab test.
या
And then the diagnosis, the doctor may, depending on the big picture, whether he may or she may accept the test or reject the test, correlate with the clinical condition. Now what is happening is, here we have got a test which can not only pick the virus but it can pick the fossil of the virus also. So एक कोई अभी डॉक्टर उसका जो क्या कहते हैं, उसका सोल को भी पकड़ लेगा। शायद बहुत पहले कभी हुआ होगा, डेड पार्टिकल और पीस ऑफ न्यूक्लिक एसिड,
या
और उसको आप केस डायग्नोस कर रहे हैं। Forget about the symptoms. The person is totally asymptomatic. Majority of cases who are labeled as cases have got no symptoms. They have never gone to the doctor. Suddenly caught by someone, contact tracing, and labeled a case with all types of restrictions. So, first time in the history of medicine, history of public health, these things are done, of course, when the outbreak is new, but now also they are doing it when the pandemic is 2 years old, when it has spread all over the world. So, this is not the way. This is not the way to do a definition of a case. The case definition is faulty. And secondly, even death certification is faulty in this pandemic.
या
Death certificate is the cause of death by whatever the major cause is. Just in USA, there have been cases, a person dies of gunshot wound. He has taken to hospital, cases reporting to hospital, RT-PCR was done, found to be RT-PCR positive. Gunshot wound cases have been labeled as COVID death. I am not joking, you can do the Google search. Gunshot wound, COVID death, USA, you will find such cases. So I am not joking. So
नहीं नहीं नहीं
this is
नहीं
the way
नहीं that's
which
I'm
has been, that's why I said, first a person does the test and there is no doctor. It is the technician who does the test and the treatment is given by the collector. He will give restriction, he will give quarantine, treatment is given by the police danda and the technician. And doctors are just doing this panel discussion with Dr. Reddy or some other panel. So this is what has happened. Asymptomatic testing started just based on one case report in New England Journal of Medicine. One woman from Asia went to Europe and it was alleged that she had no symptoms and infected so many. And then they said that there is asymptomatic spread. Usually nobody takes case report seriously, but the panic was started from the very beginning. Later it was found and the correction was issued by the journal, that paper was detected that she did have symptoms. She was not asymptomatic, she concealed the symptoms. And but the initial whatever message was given that there may be asymptomatic spread. I do not deny it, but in public health, the policy should be on the big picture, not on isolated cases. So, from the beginning only, this test, trace, isolate, as Dr. Kushwaha said, it is only at the when the pandemic is just in a very early stage to prevent the pandemic. In fact, to contain the pandemic or to contain it within the country so that it doesn't become a pandemic, then only it is feasible. After that, firstly, even our data source or data zero survey in July or June showed 67% Indians are having the antibodies. That translates into 90 crores Indians already had infection. And that time only 3 crore cases or 4 crore cases were detected. So hardly 5% you detect by test, trace, and whatever isolation. 95% you do not detect. So it is very rightly said, it is a waste of huge resources. And I would like to add another thing that Abhi America they have started testing for influenza. If I am right, because I am really confused in this new testing policy. Multiplex or like they are making the multiplex movie halls. Actual multiplex बंद कर दिया, अभी disease multiplex खोल रहे हैं. I mean अभी mall बंद कर दिया, multiplex बंद. क्या है कि वो एक manual test हमारे पैनल में नहीं, पैनल में आई हैव गॉट सर्टेन रिजर्वेशंस, लाइक अभी हमारे जो तोताराम लोग है ना, गवर्नमेंट एडवाइजर्स, आई वुड कॉल देम तोताराम, वो फौजी जो तोताराम लोगों को सिखाएंगे।
Some of the voice is getting distorted. They are playing games because they are trying to restrict our bandwidth. This is ridiculous.
जैसे अभी तो हमारे यहाँ मलेरिया ना देखना चाहिए, मलेरिया ना होना चाहिए, डेंगू ना होना चाहिए, टाइफॉइड ना होना चाहिए,
we missed your words.
मल्टीप्लेक्स विथ ऑल एंडेमिक डिजीजेस. अभी हमको व्हाट इज माय कंसर्न,
That's why we missed some part because they were trying to play with our bandwidth. We missed that initial part. Totaram advisors के बाद से we missed you.
हाँ हमको ये कंसर्न है कि अभी हमारे मल्टीप्लेक्स हमने पहली बार सुना ये टेस्ट में, हमने खाली देखा था मॉल और मूवी के मल्टीप्लेक्स होते थे, वो तो आपने बंद कर दिया. अभी वो बीमारी का मल्टीप्लेक्स खोल रहे हैं, और मल्टीप्लेक्स क्या खोल रहे हो, इंग्लिश मूवी दिखा रहे हो. वहाँ पे फ्लू होता है बिकॉज दे हैव गॉट जस्ट कोरोना एंड द फ्लू, एंड दे आर हैविंग द फ्लू अभी फ्लू का वैक्सीन. और हमारे यहाँ तो वी हैव गॉट सो मेनी अदर हिंदी मूवीज, लाइक वी हैव गॉट मलेरिया, वी हैव गॉट टाइफाइड, वी हैव गॉट डेंगू, वी हैव गॉट ट्यूबरकुलोसिस. अभी डॉक्टर साहब ने केस प्रेजेंट किया था, मलेरिया के साथ कोविड पॉजिटिव है, तो हमारा मलेरिया ना होना चाहिए, तो हमारा डेंगू होना चाहिए, हमारा टीबी ना होना चाहिए. तो ये सब बिकॉज दैट इज वन थिंग, बिकॉज वी शुड. अभी हमारे यहाँ क्लिनिकल मेडिसिन में हम बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं कि कोई फीवर से आता है उसका टाइफाइड का करो, ब्लड कल्चर करो टाइफाइड के लिए, टीबी के लिए ये करो, मलेरिया करो. कोविड और फ्लू हम सोचते नहीं है, बिकॉज सिंस एजेस, सिंस डिकेड्स वी नो यार दे आर सेल्फ लिमिटिंग कंडीशंस इन हेल्दी पीपल प्रोवाइडेड यू टेक केयर ऑफ द प्राइमरी कोमोबिलिटीज. तो अभी उन लोग अंग्रेज लोग क्या है, इंग्लिश मूवी में खाली फ्लू एंड कोरोना है. तो आई एम वेरी कंसर्न दैट वी विल बी नाउ चेजिंग द इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस, we are changing the coronavirus. We will be missing our typhoma and malarioma and other things, and people will be dying and they will be labeled as COVID. That is my great concern. ये तोताराम लोग ऐसे ही करेंगे, और ये तोताराम लोग टेस्टिंग भी बढ़ा रहे हैं. अभी देखिए ओमिक्रॉन हो गया, ओमिक्रॉन का तो कुछ सोचना ही नहीं चाहिए. एज इट इज प्रीवियस वेरिएंट और इन्फेक्शन फेटेलिटी वाज 0.05%, एंड ओमिक्रॉन का इन्फेक्शन फेटेलिटी रेट इज 10 times less from South Africa and other countries. So it is negligible actually. So they are again going to waste large number of resources. They will create panic and they will be missing all endemic diseases. So this is my major concern.
We create another monster.
Yeah. Banerjee sir, बोलिए.
It will replace the vaccine. That is the concern. It will replace the vaccine. That is the major concern. That's why.
By that time it replaces vaccine. The vaccine would have been already given. Shelf life has been increased. We know it.
That is why they are in a hurry. That is why in a holy hurry, Omicron will do the job and credit will go to the vaccine.
I'm just guessing. Maybe Banerjee sir might concur with me. That's a matter of next maximum 8 weeks, by which time this entire thing will be busted and the entire whatever vaccine had to be consumed will be consumed. After that, nobody is going to consume those vaccines.
Yeah.
I only hope that children are spared. I only hope.
They are not. They have already started vaccinating children.
Oh, 15 to 18 wala na sir. But I don't know what is the response. We'll come to know in a matter of few days from now. What will be the
3
response?
lakh. They say 3 lakh children are vaccinated today.
No sir.
No, that is all
fine,
ridiculous
but I
because
think,
that is what we are demanding.
People do not know.
This is how they are trying to create.
They are vaccinating without consent. They are vaccinating without consent in the schools and colleges.
That's
They cannot do that. Ready?
Yes sir.
Dr. Reddy, just 4 days before he made this statement, another important member of the NTAGI of the same committee, Dr. Jayaprakash Mulial, gave a press statement that children vaccination will be kept on hold. There is not going to be children vaccination because they are not at risk, and the NTAGI has recommended to the government of India not to start children vaccination. This is also on record. And after 4 days, we get this statement. It's very confusing.
A pediatric wave is going to hit India. Pediatric wave. As if the virus targets age selectively, once I will target elderly, then I will target the middle age, and then finally I'll target the pediatric population. While
But
the
the
zero
people,
survey clearly disproves the theory. There were so many. Headlines were full.
Hey, but according to Dr. N.K. Arora, the pediatric wave was during the second wave, only two-thirds deaths were in the pediatric group.
So why is he recommending vaccination then?
Because to prevent the pediatric wave, which actually they, so they are. I mean, it's very difficult now. I mean, very
difficult to understand what they want to say.
If we are so confused, one can understand the common man, common person. Common person will be totally panic about their children, and they are ready to believe person in authority. Therefore, it is a great responsibility of people in authority, like Dr. N.K. Arora, to not to misguide by such blatant misinformation. So this is a very serious to be.
Banerjee sir would definitely agree with me. As part of epidemic management, one very important aspect is risk communication. And
So,
this risk communication has been so washed up in this pandemic, I have no words for it.
Risk miscommunication. They have used risk miscommunication.
So that does not exist in the literature. That is the problem with me. I have read only risk communication.
हाँ नहीं अभी उनका लिटरेचर अलग है उनका पैरेलल लिटरेचर
Tota.
just hope that the events as they unfold and as Dr. Kuswa also said I agree within a couple of weeks as it happened in other countries the Omicron wave will get over very fast with minimum deaths with minimum casualties and that will make the people realize the truth. Let us hope.